All right, so let me take you through how to go ahead and modify this menu. So I'm going to go to the dashboard over here by clicking dashboard. And simply, we're going to go and delete some pages that we don't need. So I'm going to go to pages here. Just hover over, click on all pages. Now over here, we have the About Us page, Contact page, Elementor. We don't need this, just delete it. Also, we don't need projects, right? And services as well. So because we're not providing any services, we also don't really have any projects. We're just a blog, okay? So over here, let's add the pages that we're going to need. According here to this website, on the top, we're missing a Contact Us page. So let me go back over here. Well, I don't think, it's the Contact Us page is already there. I said About Contact Home. All right, so let me go and see. We're actually missing a blog page. So let me go and add the blog page. Scroll to the top, click Add New. I'm going to come over here and give this a title as a blog page. There you go. Click on Publish. Publish immediately. Now the blog page is now live, so let me go back to the dashboard. Now I have another page that I need to add. I feel like the blog I need to just edit it because this is uppercased. I'm going to go back here, just click on Quick Edit instead of Edit. So if I click Quick Edit from here, I'll just bring it down to this, Update. And let me go ahead and add the privacy policy page because that also is a page that is interesting or important. Because if you scroll down over here, we don't really have it. I didn't really add it there, but I need to add it. So I need to add it on the footer. So I'm going to go ahead and create a privacy policy page. I'm going to go over here and of course, create a new page named privacy policy. Very simple process here. So just click privacy policy. Let me scroll down here to check something. All right, so go to block. Okay, so let me just click publish, publish again. Then go back to the dashboard. I'm going to take the privacy policy page here. All right, so there you go. It exists. And that's pretty good. So here, go to appearance, click on menus. Let me go and edit this menu. So this menu should have home, about, blog, and contact. These pages are now invalid since we have deleted them. So I'm just going to go ahead and complete my job, remove them. And let me add the blog page to this menu, this main menu. So here, I can click blog, add to menu. And so right now we have the blog added to menu. I'm just going to make it near the home page. All right, so there's home, blog, about, contact. And I'm going to go ahead and save this as the primary menu. And I'm going to create a new menu. This time I'm going to add the privacy policy to it. So I'm going to name this a footer menu since we don't have a footer menu. And over here, I'm going to click footer, create menu. And of course, right here, most recent, I'm going to click on view all. And for this particular menu, I'm going to add home, about, blog, and privacy policy. Okay. Add this to menu. So this will be my footer menu, and I'll click on save. And so right now, if I go and preview my website, notice that the menu is now changed. We have home, blog, about, contact. So right now that we have edited the header menu, let's go ahead and let me show you how you can edit the fonts of the website.